We conducted research to discover what manufacturers need from their CMS. It turns out 80% of businesses migrated to a new CMS in the past 3 years. Interestingly, companies did face some roadblocks during migration. 36% found a lack of technical support. Another 36% encountered a lack of structuring know-how. 35% experienced a lack of examples and templates. And even 30% had a poor onboarding experience. So Storyblok is considered one of the best CMSs and even awarded as such by G2. We have taken these roadblocks very seriously. For examples, we have been awarded Best Support, Easiest to Use, and Easiest to Do Business With. We also have incredibly detailed documentation to help you solve most problems you run into. Take a look at what some of our users have to say. Do you still consider CMS migration to be challenging and scary? Maybe Storyblok is the answer.